Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation, and today I have another unboxing for you guys today. Today we've got a new unboxing from JH Wings here, guys. Huge unboxing today, all heavy aircraft here today, all wide bodies. So let's go ahead and take a look at this unboxing. As you guys can see, we're already starting off with the Korean Air 747-8 and the brand new livery here. Let's get it unboxed. All right, everybody, starting off, we have the Korean Air 747. We'll get these unwrapped in a moment here. We're just gonna stack these on the side here. Next up, we also have a Korean Air 747. Next up, we have the Korean Air 777-300ER in the new livery. Absolutely incredible here. We'll have to get some pictures of these. And then we have Aviation 400 Etihad A380. I needed a bunch of these guys. We are running low on the A380 game, especially Etihad. I got to put more work into getting the Etihad models. Another Etihad A380 here. What else we got here? We have an Ultimate Lufthansa 747-8. So adding to the Lufthansa 747 group here. I need like a bunch of these guys because I'm making Frankfurt Airport too. All right, super cool. We're stacking up. What else we got? Oh, we got another. Oh, all right, we got another Cathay Pacific. Oh, it's Christmas time here, guys. We have the Finnair Santa livery as well as the SpaceX 737. All right, guys, here's the SpaceX 737 from Panda Models. Let's go take a look here. Wow, guys, look at that. Look at the detail on this thing. Panda Models is the way to go too, guys. They have great quality aircraft. Look at that. Elon Musk SpaceX here, guys. Super cool. I'll be doing another video later with a more detailed view here. But for now, as you guys can see, super cool, guys. On to the next plane. Next up, we have the Finnair Santa Claus A350-900 here, guys. Check it out. Super cool. Official airline of Santa Claus, Finland. Absolutely beautiful. All right, guys, next up we have the Finnair Santa Claus A350-900 here. Brand new aircraft here, as you guys can see. Oh, it looks like the wings coming off a bit. We'll have to push that back in. Does happen from time to time with models, guys, so one moment here. Other than that, guys, honestly, amazing looking aircraft here today. Look at that. All right, guys, on to the next. Next up, we have the Korean Air 777-300ER, HL8008 here. As you can see, this is from Aviation 400. It's a little bit shiny here. I don't know if the livery is like meant to be shiny like this, but it's pretty cool looking. A lot of antennas here. I feel like you either like it or hate it. I think it's, it's pretty cool. First one in the new livery. I had to put the landing gear on already. Again, guys, this is just meant to be a quick overview video, just showing you guys. Really cool livery, though. Honestly, I like the new livery. I dig it. It's pretty cool. Check here. There we go. All right, everybody, here's the Korean Air 747-8. This one is... I don't even know what this one's from. I think it's Phoenix Models. Super cool. Beautiful aircraft here. Can't wait to get this in rotation here, especially at LAX. So stay tuned for more on that, guys. Look at that. Super cool, guys. All right, guys, that does it for the first half of the unboxing. All right, guys, next up we have Cathay Pacific here, A350-900 here. NG models. Lots of detail on this beautiful aircraft. We'll put this on my Hong Kong layout here as well. One of the many Cathay Pacific A350s and 777s I'll have. So stay tuned for that, guys. Lots of detail here. Another for the fleet, guys. Another for the fleet. All right, guys. Next up, we have the Etihad A380 here. As you can see. I think we're just going to leave this one in the box for now. But lots of detail on here. You guys will see this in a future video. Next up, we have the Etihad London A380 as well. Here it is in the box. Absolutely incredible. I'm really happy to have this. I just don't really feel like assembling all this right now at this time, guys, as I'm getting up early for a morning flight here. But I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing so far. Super cool. And then next up, we have the Lufthansa 747-8. This is the Ultimate. I didn't realize these boxes were like so nice. I think the box does matter because it's like thick and durable here, as you can see. So yeah, I don't know, I might just start buying more of these Ultimates. Wow, guys, I am impressed with these Ultimates. Check this box out. Look at this. I didn't think the boxes were going to be like this nice, though. That's what I'm saying, though. You know, I think everybody thought the Ultimates were just going to be like, oh yeah, it's just another design in the box. Like, guys, you get a whole... Look at this. You get a whole, like, card with it. Like... I don't know. To me, that's worth the extra $8. You're already spending like $60 anyways. Look at this. Super cool, guys. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing video today of these amazing aircrafts. Sorry if we didn't open a couple of these other ones. We did show them in the boxes, though. But I'll show a detailed video later on, guys, of more of these airplanes here. Trust me, there are so many cool planes we got here. So, a lot to look at. So, stay tuned, guys, for more. Again, Model Airport Nation here. Go check out JH Wings. Link in the bio, guys, to the store. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Happy collecting.